In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Canva design into a PDF. If you're new to Canva or just need a refresher, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step. Whether you're creating a document for printing, sharing, or archiving, converting your Canva design to a PDF is a simple yet essential skill to have. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to have your design open in Canva, ready to go. Once you're set, the first thing you'll do is look for the Share button. This is a key feature within Canva, and it usually sits at the top right corner of your screen. It's your gateway to downloading and exporting your creations. Clicking on Share will open up a variety of options for how you can distribute your design. But for our purpose today, we're focusing on downloading it as a PDF. After you click Share, a menu will appear. Here, you will find the option labeled Download. This is precisely where the magic happens. When you click Download, a new set of options will pop up. You'll notice a drop-down menu showcasing different file formats, from JPEGs to PNGs. However, for our task, we're interested in PDFs. The standard PDF is usually the default selection, which is a suitable choice for most of your printing and sharing needs. The PDF standard is set to ensure that your design maintains its quality and formatting across different devices and platforms. At this stage, you may see some additional settings, such as selecting specific pages to download if your design has multiple pages. Take a moment here to adjust any preferences you may have for your document. With these selections made, you're ready to download. Simply click the download button and watch as Canva processes your request, converting your visual masterpiece into a polished PDF document. Depending on the size and complexity of your design, this might take a moment or two. Once completed, your file will be saved to your designated download folder. From here, you're free to open the document to ensure everything looks perfect. You can print it, attach it to an email, or upload it to a cloud service for safekeeping. Congratulations, you've successfully converted your Canva design into a PDF, all with just a few clicks. And there you have it. Your Canva design is now a PDF, ready for whatever you plan to do next. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.